Cololight is a cyber-themed knob controller that features a knob and for mechanical keyboard-style buttons. In general, rotating the knob switches between applications, while short press the knob to confirm. And long press the top left button can exit from any interface. Connect Cololight to your PC, laptop's USB port. Once Cololight is powered on, follow several steps to perform basic settings. The first step is to set the language. You can rotate the knob to switch languages and short press the knob to confirm. Set the time zone. When setting up your network, please choose to point for G Wi-Fi and enter your password. Rotate the knob to switch between characters. Short press the knob to choose characters. Top left returns. Top right deletes. Bottom left to switch between character types. And bottom right to confirm. Version upgrade. Every time Cololight powers up, it automatically performs a version check. If the current version is not the latest, it is recommended to upgrade to the latest version. If you skipped the upgrade, you can check and update the version in the settings, About, Version, More Settings. Please press the setting button beside the Type-C interface to go for more system settings such as sound, backlight, key lamp, sleep mode, download applications and etc. PC desktop download direction. To use functions such as dashboard, PC switch and keypad, please download Cololight desktop and ensure that the version is the latest. You can scan the QR code in the user manual to download it. PC switch is a highlight feature of Cololight. Long pressing the knob can directly start the computer. However, it is necessary to ensure that the PC mainboard supports WOL function and needs to connect to the network. If you happen to have a Cololight, Cololight can also turn on it when turning on your PC. In the PC switch menu, you can press the setting button to turn on this feature. After PC switch's animation ends, the page will automatically redirect to the dashboard, where the PC running parameters will be displayed. By pressing the knob, you can switch to different pages for CPU, GPU, network, and RAM parameters. Please note that this function requires Cololight to be connected to the PC USB and Cololight desktop must be running on the PC. Long press the top left button and rotate the knob to enter the keypad. There are 4 layers of keypad that can be set, which can be switched by pressing and holding, and rotating the knob. 3 commonly used keyboard templates are provided, including media operations, document editing, and video editing. Choose the record option and press the keys on the keyboard when connecting the computer and running the Cololight desktop. The keys on the scene will also change accordingly, which means the configuration is successful. In Launch Program and Launch Website feature, choose an app from your PC or enter an website address and name it. After save the settings, you can use Cololight to launch your PC app. Say for instance, press the key to launch your game. Once you complete the configuration of the keypad, not only can be used on the keypad menu, it also available on other pages such as the dashboard, COLO Inspire, and clock. Long press the top left button to exit the previous application. Rotate the knob to find the clock interface, press the knob to enter, and short press the knob to switch between the clock faces. There are 5 built-in clock faces. If you're a YouTuber, Cololight can also do fan counting. Long pressing the knob to enter your YouTube channel ID. Then it will display the number of followers, and it automatically updates every 10 minutes, so you don't miss out any new fans. As a Cololight product, for sure, it can control Cololights. Enter the COLO controller interface. Long press the knob. The device will automatically search for all Cololight devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As Cololight, choose the device you want to control. Short press the knob to turn on or off the Cololight. Rotate the knob to adjust the brightness. Click the top right button to switch to dynamic lighting effect. Click the bottom right button to switch to static color. Long press the bottom left button to enter the device listening mode. In the listening mode, Cololight will become the microphone of the Cololights, creating a lighting effect that perfectly matches the music beats and rhythm. There are also some other fun features, such as COLO Inspire. Pressing the knob on this interface can show various interesting quotes from games. Also, playing pixel-style retro games is also an option when you want to relax. PC desktop. The first part is about how to customize your keypad. There are 4 layers of keypad that can be set. 3 commonly used keyboard templates are provided, including media operations, document editing, and video editing. Select the corresponding button with the mouse. Select the button to record, and enter the shortcut key on the keyboard, and the software will automatically obtain the entered shortcut key and send it to the device. The Windows and media categories have some common shortcut keys. Click the button to launch program. Choose the program and click Save. The software will automatically obtain the program's name and send it to the device. The same goes for the Launch Site section. Launch program and launch website are only available when Cololight desktop is running. Click the second icon on the left menu bar, where you can view PC data. If you want to set your PC switch, you can configure the MAC address of the PC switch. Click Send to send your MAC address to Cololight directly instead of typing on Cololight. Click one of the multiple data, and all the relevant data is displayed on the right. You can choose one to replace it, which means you can choose the appropriate data to display on your Cololight. Select the third option on the left menu bar. Here you can see all your applications on Cololight. Here you can download, replace and delete applications on Cololight. For example, you can click an application. 2 related operations are shown on the right. You can replace or reorder your application by clicking Change. You can select the application locally. Besides, the category of extension shows the latest applications that can be selected for download. In the final part, double-click to select Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password to configure Wi-Fi for Cololight. Click the first icon in the upper right corner to enter the settings. Download the latest version by clicking Check for upgrade. Besides, you can change the language in general part. Here is a function that you choose to save troubleshooting logs and share with our support team. When you encounter problems, these logs are kept locally, which is completely safe.